Thanks, Patrick. And
Yeah.
just from day to day, what does this actually look like in the real world?
Well, it looks like a company will typically, the world of a business cycle, a trading cycle, will begin with an order being placed from a buyer to a supplier organization, and so that order will be an EDI order, and it will be collected electronically. It'll be transmitted into the ERP system to be posted out as an official purchase order. It'll be transmitted over the vans, and then it becomes an order, possibly an order response. But then it becomes a dispatch advice, so an electronic dispatch advice is then issued to warehouses or to any store location, and the goods are picked and dispatched, and then once they're received, the electronic invoice arrives at the end of the cycle, and then there's an electronic payment. So the whole pay-to-pay cycle becomes electronic, touchless, lights out. That's the idea. So just, I suppose, Willie, to wrap up, I suppose we'll try and help the viewers a little bit in terms of what happens when certain things are, you're facing certain situations, what to do. So I suppose from an EDI service provider, number one is that if you're not happy with your current service provider, you just get in touch with us and we'll start the dialogue and see what we can do to help. Secondly, if you're having trouble, and it's quite complex sometimes, that a customer has started a project with you but it's not actually progressing and not making progress, and it's at risk, that your business is at risk, then get in touch with us. Also, if you're finding that your current infrastructure is interface-wise overly complex and causing massive delays, then you can get in touch with us for that reason. We have people here who deal with the SAP environment from IDOC all the way down to little SAP. Okay, Willie, thank you very much for today. So the contact details will appear on the screen. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Patrick. Pleasure.
Thank you. Very good.
Done.